a month after a Rajkot company gave more than 800 ventilators to the Gujarat government. Death toll in the hospital the units were installed only went up. Here's a report on ventilator fiasco taking place in the state of Gujarat.
Advertised as a model of self-sustenance, Dhaman 1 ventilators made an impressive debut in Ahmedabad last month. Their manufacturers, Rajkot-based Jyoti CNC, donated 866 devices to the state government to help support critically ill COVID patients.
मुझे खुशी है कि वेंटिलेटर बनाने में भी गुजरात में हमारे लोकल इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट कामयाब हुए हैं। पूरा उसका सर्टिफाई भी हो गया है और पेशेंट पर सुबह से सक्सेसफुली वो काम भी कर रहा है।
But a month later, the devices have taken the breath out of the hype. This as death toll from the pandemic mounted in Ahmedabad's largest COVID-19 hospital, where as many as 250 Dhaman devices have been installed, and where more than 400 COVID patients died out of more than 600 in Ahmedabad. Soon the Ahmedabad Civil Hospital raised an alarm. In a letter to state authorities, the facility sought more advanced ventilators, saying Dhaman 1 is not up to the mark.
સિવિલ હોસ્પિટલમાં પણ અમે આ મશીનો વાપરીએ છીએ અને એમાં અમારા જે ડૉક્ટરો ખાસ કરીને હતા એના જે સૂચનો હતા એ સૂચનોને પણ એ લોકોએ ઇન્કોર્પોરેટ કરેલા છે ને બધા જ મશીનો નવા સૂચનો સાથે અપગ્રેડ કરશે.
Congress has accused the state government of using made in Gujarat propaganda on the back of substandard devices and promoting Jyoti CNC, which it says is owned by Chief Minister Rupani's friend.
15 मई को सिविल के सुपरिटेंडेंट ने, सिविल हॉस्पिटल के सुपरिटेंडेंट ने सरकार को कागज लिखा कि ये धमन जो आपने भेजा है वो कोविड-19 के दर्दियों की सारवार के लिए ठीक नहीं है, उसकी वजह से लोग मर रहे हैं। तो लोगों की जिंदगी ज्यादा कीमती है या अपने मित्र की कंपनी का मार्केटिंग ज्यादा जरूरी है?
The state government has defended the ventilators.
ड्रग कंट्रोलर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया की जो लाइसेंस की बात की गई है, किसी भी वेंटिलेटर को ऐसे लाइसेंस की ज़रूरत का अभी फ़िलहाल गवर्नमेंट में ऐसा कोई नियम नहीं है। सेकंड, ये जो वेंटिलेटर्स हैं इसको खास करके एक ISO की एक स्टैंडर्ड होती है IEC 60601, वो मंजूरी ये इन्हें मिला है और उसके बाद ही इन्होंने वेंटिलेटर्स बनाए हैं।
The row has resonated as far as Puducherry. Its Congress Chief Minister has cancelled orders for 25 Dhaman ventilators. Jyoti CNC maintains its devices complied fully with medical standards. India Today tried for a reaction from Jyoti CNC, but the company is yet to respond. But with many deaths of COVID patients blamed worldwide on faulty ventilators, profound questions are being raised. Questions about the need to balance nationalist sentiments and quality controls of life-saving equipment. With Gopi Manyar Ghangar in Ahmedabad, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.